Thokozani, I'm greeting you all in the mighty name of God, God the Creator, God that called me to come and do this work. Yokuphilisa, ukhuluma nomkhulu langabi, ukhuluma nomama unkosazana, ukhuluma nomuntu ophilisa abantu. Right. Owabizwa emhlabeni, washiya emuva i-profession yakhe, a career. This statement is going to help those that are always thinking all of us are fake. No, some of us has got a background. So now, the topic for today, Yekani ukuvusa izithwalo zakini. Yeka ukuvusa isithwalo sakini. Don't, if there was darkness in your lineage, stop digging it, stop enhancing it, especially to the gifted kids. I'm talking to the gifted people now. The reason why I thought of sharing this topic with you guys, I've seen quite a number of people that went for initiation, wrong initiation. Yes, it's a song now. Ever since I started about it, it has now become a song that hey, wrong. I've seen it was wrong. You did the opposite of what you were supposed to do. Right? If you are a gifted child, learn to listen to the governing spirits. Learn to listen to Umoya. Because Umoya tells us what to do. Umoya tells us how to heal the person that came to us. Because there's no one size fits all. That is why you have never heard me discussing how I heal people. No. Because I heal people with different ways, with different things. Right? Mine is deeper than Moti. So, why am I saying stop digging up the darkness that your forefathers left? I've seen quite a number of people coming to consult with me, and then I sometimes help them if they come back. If they don't come back, they want something that is different. Until they get someone that will say, yes, it's fine, let's go for it. Right? I've seen people that are spiritually gifted. They are spiritually gifted, whether it's Tunya, Ubungoma, Ubunusi, whatever. Then, that person is now going for an initiation. When that person goes for an initiation, uzoliphuza aliphalaze. He or she is going to be given blood to drink and other things that they use there. Yet it's not supposed to be like that in that particular person's case. By so doing, that person uvusa izithwalo zakubo. That is why lots of people will say, we are now born again. I'm born again. In the manner of which I pray for people. That's my own born again. Born again from what? Anyway, born again from what? I pray for people to be well. I pray for people that are sick and they get up and walk. So that's my own born againism, whatever you decide to call it. So, right. So, the people that are gifted make these mistakes of going for the wrong initiation. During that wrong initiation, uvusa izinto ezingasafuneki emndenini because they know it doesn't work. So, for them to stop those things from working, they decided, sizoba ngabazalwane. When you go there, you decide to go, uyoliphuza, uliphalaze. You start to go and drink blood and vomiting it. By that act, I'm talking about the people that I've seen, many of them. By that act, uvusa izithwalo zakini ekhaya. Uvusa izithwalo. That is why you will see your older people in the family says, Thina sesilahle yonke into. uJesu athi siyeke all these things. Aniziyeki, but zinendlela yazo yokulungiswa, kunendlela yakhona yokuthi kulungiswe. Whether ungumzalwane, whether uyini, there is a specific way to sort that out. Instead of uliphuza uliphalaza, uvusa izithwalo. Like I saw another lady that I saw, if she's here in Facebook, please say Ukona, because we're trying to make you heal. I'm not going to mention your names, guys. I'm just teaching other people so that they don't do the same mistake. She went for this initiation whereby she was drinking the God's blood and palaza. She couldn't palaza. She drank it and she tried so hard, nothing. Instead, she had a running tummy. After that, when she came back, she lost 3 kids, firstborn, secondborn, thirdborn, under mysterious circumstances. The other one, the boy was stabbed and died on the spot. The girl got a headache for 2 days. She died on the spot. The other one was involved in a car accident, a school accident. Right. Niyabona sifaka abantu abaningi kanjani? Udriver wabantwana besikolo akazi lutho uzothatha ingane yakho iba ngumhlatshelo, because you already woke up the spirits that were casted out in your family by doing the wrong initiation instead of doing things right in the family. Yes, you are gifted, Angal. Yes, you are gifted. You are gifted. You've seen it in your dreams. You've been told. But awenzanga izinto ngendlela. You did not do what you were supposed to do. Instead, wahamba wena wayoliphuza waliphalaza uthemba ukuthi uzothi mina ngaliphuza ngaliphalaza. Angaze mina ngiliphuze ngiliphalaza. And I will never, because my gift is different. It's different. Though I also use muti on other things, because muti is for healing. Muti is for healing people. Herbs are there. Herbs are there to heal people. I've healed cancer. I've healed a lot of diseases. I've healed lots of mysterious diseases. So it's not wrong to use herbs for certain illnesses that are incurable. But it's wrong to go and wake the spirits up, the spirits that were abandoned, the spirits that were casted out by your forefathers. And when now you go and wake those spirits up, the next thing when you come back, you're losing all your 3 kids. After that, she went on to lose the brother. After that, the brother-in-law got stabbed and died. How many people died? And then she was not aware. I'm mentioning this one because she had quite a number of people that died after uliphuza aliphalazi. It's okay for other people, but it was wrong for her. She did not realize why. She just came and ever since I came for initiation, I lost my job. She also lost her job. I lost my job. I lost money. They did not even give me my UIF during that time. I am not working, but I've got amabai, I've got iskolo. That's what are you doing? And I'm also trying to get my money to whoever I can get the money from. This is where you need to discern also to the altars that you go to. That's another problem that it's a topic for another day. Okay, here I'm discussing what happened to me. If you want to come for me, I'm available. I was chosen to come and change the narrative in the world, in the whole world. All right. Now, this person, I'm the one that does the reading, and I am telling her, you have lost 1, 2, 3 people that are closer to your heart, but you did not end there. Your brother-in-law was stabbed. It's because of you, the spirits that we woke up. Your 3 kids died under mysterious circumstances. It's because of the spirits that you woke up. Don't forget the person is a spirit. Umuntu kayi-3. Everybody dying. On top of that, you lost your job. No UIF, no benefits at all after working for so many years. So guys, there are ways to cut Izithwalo Zakini. There are ways to cut every darkness that is following you within the family. Don't just follow people to say, I'm going to do this because so and so did it. You don't ever do that. There is a way of which these things, you get them during divination. I'm a prophetess. Isanus. There's a lot that is going to happen in the world. But stay dehydrated, stay protected, because gunezikulu ezizos. I'm not gonna say much now because of the obvious reasons. So now, guys, learn to listen to imimoya ekuphethe. Learn to discern. Learn to say, no, I'm not buying lelo bhayilelo. Elakabani, what is it for? Learn to say, no, I will wait. Go and pray. A healer that doesn't pray, a healer that doesn't know God is dangerous. It's dangerous. I'm not Mzalwane, but I'm closer to God now before I was Mzalwane. Prayer works. You pray and get answers. Because don't forget, the evil spirit will come and show you the body. The evil spirit will come and show you blood and say, go and drink this blood, you will be wealthy. It does not happen like that. It ends in tears. So know how to settle your guiding spirits, your guiding angels, your guiding whatever you decide to call it. Learn to settle them in a proper way. In a proper way, the way they should be settled. Don't just follow people. Otherwise, you're going to kill lots of people. The next video, I'm going to share a story again. It's not a story. I'm sharing you things that I come across in Gundlen, things that I come across in church. I want our vote. Learn, guys. Learn spiritual awakening, spiritual awareness, so that you don't do the wrong thing, so that you don't end up killing the people that are innocent under your wing because you don't know. Little knowledge is dangerous. Dangerous. Little knowledge is dangerous. Our vote. I want